6.7 liter Power Stroke, baby. And this one came in for some paint protection. Let me tell you what we did. So we did a two-step correction over all of the paint to be able to get this gloss that you see through your screen. We laid down our ceramic coating service over the paints, the plastics, the trim, everything that you're seeing. We also did trim restoration. This vehicle lived in a car wash. So car washes are super acidic and they really just ate at the plastics and dulled them out and made them look like crap. If you want your vehicle looking this good, choose Envy This.